Hello and welcome back to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be making a very simple gift bow. All you need is a strip of your wrapping paper. So this is 1 centimetre wide or thereabouts. So you're going to start with a small loop, which I'm going to glue into place at the back. I'll just put some on the end there. Make it a tight loop. And you're going to do the same on the other side. So you can glue as you go along. And keep making these loops. So whenever you see a sort of gap, that's where you're going to loop into. Glue that bit. And I'm just using super glue because Pritt Stickum doesn't quite keep the hold. I think that looks pretty good. You can keep going, make it a big bow. And I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to cut it off there. Squish that one a bit. Move that one up. There we go. You can also add a pearl or a bead or something in the middle. And then stick it on your present. I hope you liked watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more of these kind of tutorials. And have a lovely Christmas. Take care. Bye.